If you're looking to use a tripod or any kind of stand and you don't want it to tilt over when you put gear on it, I want you to keep two things in mind. First, every stand has a weight capacity and you should consider what you plan on using yours for before you buy one. A full video tripod might be overkill if you only film with your phone, but if you've got a whole camera rig, then a small tabletop tripod might not be sturdy enough. You can usually find out what a stand's weight capacity or max load is in the product description or the specs, and if you can't find it, then it's probably not worth investing in. Next, when you're setting up your stand, you'll want to put the weight over one of the legs, not in between them. That way, if you're getting close to pushing that weight capacity, or if you have anything that throws it off balance, the leg that's under the weight will help prevent it from tipping. This is especially important if you have something like a boom arm to suspend your weight on. The more you change that center of gravity, the more important it is to set up correctly. Here's the general rule. If the legs are all the same size, then it doesn't matter which leg the weight goes over. But if you have different sized legs, like a C-stand, then the weight should always go over the biggest leg. And of course, when you get to that level of rigging, you'll always want to put a sandbag on that supporting leg to reinforce it. Filming the B-roll for this reminded me of another really important tip, and that is that your stand is the most sturdy when your legs are the farthest apart. So if you have something like a small tripod or a camera tripod like this one, the legs will stop on their own and that's when you know it's the sturdiest. Or you might have a tripod like this one where the legs kind of open up in steps. I don't know how well you can see that there. I'll get a better shot of that later on. But they lock into different steps and that's how you know it's sturdiest. But with a light stand, it doesn't necessarily have those locks for you. So your stand will be, mine is a little sticky, your stand is going to be collapsed like this. When you open it up all the way, it's going to go past this, which is the sturdiest position. It's going to go there. That might make you think it's open all the way. It's not. You want to go back up to where these braces right here are flat. So that's my trick for knowing when your stand is open all the way. Now that you have the basics for setting up a tripod and stands in general, check out my video about C-stand safety tips.